Hey there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? Here I am with September's ArtSnacks box. Summer is always very busy for me. I did not even open the August box yet. And I thought there's really no point in doing a video on the August box. So here is the September box. A candy, a dum-dum. Give that to my little friend. And the box of what is in here. And the first thing I have is watercolor ink. Aquafine watercolor ink. And I got a yellow bottle of ink. And I will be demoing it. So we have our little tissue full of stuff. A nice little stack of things in here. So here we have the art sticker, and believe it or not, I have a dedicated book for my ArtSnacks stuff. So we have a filbert brush, and it is a number 12. It is a big one. It is a big one. So I will show you how to use that filbert brush. And then we have, okay, a Krink acrylic paint marker. You know, I like the acrylic paint markers. This is a green. I am going to get it going. I like the color, but I wish I had gotten a white. So what you do is you take your pen and you just go up and down, and the color is coming. I see it. So we load up. If you can see, there's a little dot there. So it loads up. So, and it gives you nice circles. You know, like everything else, if you just tap it lightly, you get a nice circle. And they're consistent, and I like that. Okay. What I want to see is how this reacts to water. It's an acrylic paint, so I have my filbert brush, and it does bleed out a little bit. It's still wet. Acrylic paint, once it dries, it doesn't spread. So if that was totally dry, it would be fine. Okay, the next thing is a zebra Mildliner brush, double-ended. And double-ended. Okay, so let's see what this does. This is a gray, and this would be good for lettering. This is wet. I can't decide if it's gray or silver, but it is lovely. And the other end of it is, it's a hard nib. Okay, and then I got another color. It's a very soft color, and actually this is one of my favorite colors. It's like a teal. And then another pen. It's called a La Pen. I have some of these and I do like them. Oh, the nib has some give to it. There you go. So if you see this acrylic paint over here is now dry, and I think it's dry. It should not move. Let's see. I'm right. Oh no, you know why it's moving? Because it's not dry. Acrylic paint does not move when it's dry. Now I have this ink. Open it up. I think we've gotten these inks before, and I have a different color, so do that. And get your brush and just drag it out. Load up your brush. Oh, it's a nice yellow. And let's see if it'll drag out. It does. I need to test these and see if once they're dry, if they don't drag out. So there you go. Those are the products for this month, and I do plan on making something, and I'll be back to share that with you when I get it done. Bye.